All right? So, right hand, left hand. You're going to start stepping out with your right, looking to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you got left, right. Step out with your left and look. Advance is going to do a barrel turn over your left shoulder. Barrel, land with your right, slide in 7, 8. Beginner version or modified version, you guys are going to do 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's not the count. But basically after this, and look, you're going to go 5, 6, and 7, 8. So advance is going to do and hit 5, 6, 7, 8. Modify is going to do it. Modify is going to do and hit 5, 6, left, right, slide. So I'm putting it all together. 5, 6, 7 with the counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Modify. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, 3 and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Child, y'all get this count, baby.